Welcome back for another video. So this is a bit of a different video, guys, one that you normally don't see. Alright, so NCLH, I initially took a long position, 2.5 hours into the open, and took a loss just over $300, like $355. Went back in again about half an hour, 45 minutes later, managed to recoup that loss plus an extra $150. So you guys are asking me to show losing trades. Okay, so this is a losing trade. The two trades went on for quite a while. So I actually had to obviously edit it, both parts. And the reason that I went in for a second time will be revealed in the commentary during the actual trade itself. So, you know, you guys, want to learn something from losing trades. I get that. But at the same time, you guys want the winning trades more so. And people always say, why do you predominantly put out winning trades? Because that's what you guys ask for. That's what you want to see. That's the messages that I get all the time. Instagram, YouTube. Do you want to see profit? Do you want to see profit? Do you want to see profit? That's what you guys ask for. That's what you get. A couple of you asked for some losing trades. So this is a losing trade, but thank God I managed to pull it back and recoup the loss plus another $150. So you guys are asking now for some losing trades. So the next couple of videos, I will try and record some more of my trades, because bear in mind, I don't record my trades. I only record trades once in a blue moon. It's not something that I do on a regular basis anymore. But I will record some trades, and I will keep the losing trades for you guys, because they're the ones that you want to see in YouTube at the moment, apparently. So if that's what you want, that's what you'll get. And yeah, listen, it does get a little bit monotonous, I suppose, doing the same videos all the time. But you guys ask for certain things, and that's what I give you. So you want losing trades, I'll give you some losing trades going forward as well. But still in Spain. I'm not sure where I'm going to be heading to next. I might have to head back to Scotland pretty soon for some family business, but then I might head to Italy. I don't know. We'll see. You guys are sitting there thinking, oh, this is so exciting, isn't it? He's wondering where he's going to go next. It's actually not exciting, to be honest with you. It's actually a bit of a dilemma to be thinking, well, where do you want to go next? Because, this island is dead. I didn't realise, at this time of the year, everything is shutting now, which I didn't realise because I'd never been to this part of the island before. So it's actually, instead of it being exciting, it's actually a dilemma. Where do I go next? So we shall see. But this is part of the journey. Again, I put something out on Instagram not that long ago saying that there is no final destination. And there is no final destination. There's only a journey. That's it. There's a journey. It takes a long time for people to understand that. It took me a long time to understand that as well. So anyway, enough of my blabbing. Make sure you smash that like button, guys. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And as usual, follow me on Instagram, sambora.00. You can also message me. You guys are still asking about my platform, my broker. What broker do I use? It's Colmex Pro. There's a link actually in the description. When you open a live account, you'll get $200 in free commission, or you can open a demo account for 7 days and check it out and see if it's a platform that you like. So, anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Okay, so here we go, 2,700 lots, NCLH. Okay, so this is nearly 2.5 hours into the open here. I've went in after a significant sell-off, and I actually thought that I hit the bottom of the sell-off. Okay, clearly I haven't, because I'm $300 down, so I think I'm just going to take this loss here. Okay, so I'm just going to take this loss pretty soon. I can't hold on to this. I cannot hold on to this. This could turn into an $800 loss. So yeah, let's just close this and get out. Okay, so basically half an hour, well, not half an hour, you know, almost 50 minutes later, I've gone back in again. The chart does look a little bit different because I'm back on the 1 minute time frame here, just purely to look at these rejections. So initially went in, I actually thought I'd hit the major support level, lost $355, kept an eye on it, felt as though I had hit the major support level again. I've gone back in. Now the only reason I've gone back in, guys, is this is not a revenge trade. I felt as though I got the first entry wrong. I thought it had hit a major support level. Clearly I hadn't. I got faked out, took the loss. I've gone back in again. Back in the 1 minute time frame here because I just want to see these rejections. These two trades went on for quite a while because so obviously I've edited the video. You know, the trades were like half an hour each, so I couldn't just keep them on that. So back onto the 5 minute time frame here. Sometimes I do this, switch between the 1 minute and 5 minute. If it's like, because this is basically like an intraday swing, same as the last one. The last one was also an intraday swing as well. So sometimes I'd switch between 1 minute, 5 minute, just to have a little look. But you can see why I took the long position in the first place, because look at that sell off through the course of the session. So, but then the big question here now is how long do I hold on to this? Because even though I'm up $200, there is a bit of a sell off, but is it going to recover more? I just need to wait and see. You know, worst case scenario, if this drops down to, you know, minus $100, I'll probably just walk away. Net wise, that would be over $455. So, you know, I've got to be careful here. So we just need to wait and see. I was very confident on the first position, by the way. When I took the first position, I was very confident. Obviously, I've took a loss, $355. I've went back in for a second time, and again, I am confident. You know, I think the only thing that I got wrong on the first trade was my timing. I went in a little bit too early, but $300 up. You can see that it is recovering now, back in the 5 minute time frame still again. Intraday swing. How long am I going to hold this for? I probably won't hold it for that much longer, to be honest with you. It's already recovering. It does look like it might want to recover a little bit more, but I might be pushing my luck here a little bit. You know, sometimes, you know, if you break even, i.e. losing trade and then you recoup your loss, you should be happy with that. And I am happy with that. Obviously, I'm going to recoup my loss here. But I'm just kind of waiting a little bit longer just to see if it wants to recover a little bit more. Now, there's a fine line between waiting to see if it'll recover a little bit more and then being greedy. So it's a very fine line. So I'm just it just seems to be hovering here. Like it's really not moving much, which is why I'm kind of holding it a little bit longer. It's recovered a little bit more, then again it's pushing up through them resistance levels. Nearly $400 up. I am still kind of just waiting to see what it wants to do. I am just kind of just sitting here watching. I mean, I can pull the plug at this now if I want, and I will soon, to be fair. I just want to see if it's wanting to recover maybe just a little bit more. Maybe it wants to push up, I'm not sure. So this is why sometimes, you know, these intraday swings, when there's less volume, less volatility, you know, 2-3 hours into the open, you do have a little bit more time to make your decision, as opposed to scalping on the open. You know, you're very much time restricted. So what does it want to do? $400 up. Initially took a $355 loss, nearly $500 up. I'm going to take this pretty soon, because if you look at where it was, I'm not sure that it wants to make the new highs that it has since, you know, what, 6 o'clock or whatever it is. So as you can see, I've held this position for many hours, okay, many hours, which I don't normally do, but it's just one of them trades where I felt as though I'd got it right the second time, got it wrong the first time, got it right the second time. So let's just take that, $500. So there you have it, guys, a losing trade followed by a winning trade. But you are asking for losing trades now, so next few videos, that's what I'll give you some losing trades. Give me some feedback if that's what you want. You know, if you want more losing trades than winning trades, you know, I will try and record some of them from you guys. So let me know what you want. You know, let me know what you want to see. You know, you guys messaged me for a long time asking me to record trades on stocks instead of indices all the time, because I was doing futures for such a long time. You were wanting stocks, so I've done that. Now you're asking for some losing trades, so I'll stick that in there as well. And give me some feedback. You know, give me some feedback if you want more losing trades. We'll try and record. But yeah, we have losing trades all the time, don't we? Of course we do. But anyway, my lips and my mind are not in sync today. Got a little bit of a man flu going on, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, so the connection between my brain and my mouth is pretty slow today. So, but anyway, more videos coming your way. You want losing trades, you're gonna get them. See you guys soon for more videos.